Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. Today, we're exploring Starling Bank, found at https://www.starlingbank.com. Starling is a digital bank, a completely online experience, attempting to disrupt traditional banking by offering a modern, app-based approach. Their website is clean and straightforward, reflecting this digital-first philosophy. It highlights the key features that set them apart: a focus on mobile banking, real-time spending notifications, and budgeting tools designed to give users greater control over their finances. Navigating the site, you can quickly discover information about their personal and business accounts, loans, and other financial products they offer. They emphasize transparency and security, addressing common concerns about online banking upfront. The language used is clear and concise, avoiding complex financial jargon, which makes it accessible to a wide audience. They clearly outline their fees and charges, and highlight the benefits of switching to Starling. Further exploration reveals a dedicated section on their support resources, including FAQs, contact information, and helpful guides. They seem to prioritize customer service and provide various ways to get in touch if you need assistance. Starling's website also showcases their commitment to innovation and technology, discussing features like their API and integration with other financial platforms. They aim to be more than just a bank, positioning themselves as a financial hub for the modern user. The website's design is responsive, adapting seamlessly to different screen sizes, reflecting the mobile-centric nature of their service. Finally, the site underscores their focus on security and regulatory compliance, assuring users that their funds and data are safe. They clearly articulate their licensing and regulatory oversight, fostering trust and confidence in their platform.